Hey there, I'm coming today from Fish and the Hog in Waimea, Hawaii. Let's go. She's gonna show us how to make the pineapple and mint muddled margarita. This place is awesome. So tell us your tricks of your trade. Obviously, fresh Hawaiian pineapple.
Fresh pineapple, fresh mint. Go ahead and cut it up, and then we're going to be muddling this bad boy for a little bit.
So you just kind of fresh right off. What kind of pineapples do you guys use?
I believe they're just regular.
Just regular.
Pineapples.
They're not like special like Maui Golds or anything?
I don't believe so.
Okay,
no.
cool.
Just get them wherever we get them. So then we start to muddle.
Start to muddle. And you two can do this at home.
It's hella easy.
Perhaps. It's never going to be quite as good as a fresh Hawaiian pineapple though.
So then with that, this is going to be fresh squeezed lime juice that I go ahead and squeeze myself
nice.
every day.
Oh my goodness, another trick.
Simple.
Simple syrup, yep, which is just equal parts water and sugar.
It's
And
going to be a little bit of triple sec.
triple sec.
And then this is our favorite part.
Yes, the tequila. Always makes it good. And is this a double? Because my husband and I both ordered it, or is this a single?
Yes, it is. This
Yeah.
is going to be a double.
This is a double batch.
Yes, it is. So,
Awesome.
take this, throw that there.
The ice, she's gonna do her bartender magic. This is like a really extra special delight of the bite. Look at it go. Fantastic.
Get it? Now, I'm assuming we want salt on the rim, yeah?
Yeah, salt on the rim. Fantastic. Isn't this cool? I'm fresh from the beach, so I'm really looking extra special right now. But really, really fun. Glad you guys could tune in for this one. Just gonna
Alrighty.
get ready.
Pour.
Look at that gloriousness. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's one of the best drinks I've ever had. It's so fresh, so light. It's just the perfect balance of sweet, sour, salt. Yum.
And just for some
Fina,
fun.
thank you so much.
Very
Making it so
welcome.
tropical, you guys.
There we
Hawaii's
go.
best. Oh my goodness.
Hawaii is best.
Hawaii is the best. All right. Delight of the Bite. Subscribe, share. Special edition this week. Bye-bye.